Yo, are you ready for a hard drive swap that's smoother than butter on a hot skillet? Well, grab your popcorn because we're about to dive into the magical world of laptop surgery. First things first, let's prep our patient and say goodbye to the old hard drive, folks. It's time for retirement. Sorry, old hard drive. You've been hanging on longer than Stevie Wonder's dreadlocks. Now watch closely as we handle these tiny screws like a surgeon with steady hands. Precision is key, my friends. We're not just swapping parts, we're crafting a masterpiece. And now the moment of truth. Drum roll, please. It's boot up time, baby. And we're gonna load this operating system faster than Cat Williams running a 4.3.